नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. My name is JVN Manisha Singh, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Sciences. Today I am teaching you chemical, which is toxic constituents or hazardous material, which is a part of food safety and quality control. Now let's start the topic, chemical hazards. Chemical hazards are the chemical agents that have the potential to cause adverse health effects in the humans. Any chemical contaminants or naturally occurring substance in food that can cause harm to the human health when present over the recommended level. In the food industry, there are various types of chemical hazards. Some are notable. One include the environment, that is polluted air, soil, water, etc. Then intentional use of chemicals such as pesticides and veterinary drugs to increase the yield of that product. Manufacturing processes like for some manual error and addition of food additives to preserve the food. Then chemical hazards occur when chemicals are present in the foods at the levels that can cause hazardous to the humans. For example, mycotoxins. Mycotoxins are the toxins produced by the molds or fungus. Natural toxins that is present that is or naturally present in the food like pathogens, etc. Then marine toxins. These are the toxins which are present in the marine fishes and other marine animals. Environmental contaminants, these are the contaminants which are present in the environment like arsenic, lead, etc. Food additives are used to preserve the food product. Then if their quantity is excess than the limited one, it will create problem to the consumer. And then processing induced chemicals, for example, we did smoking for the flavor or to preserve the food product. And if then we did smoking, then there is a formation of poly PHA. ठीक है? Then that PHA is carcinogenic in nature. That will harmful to the human health. But the flavor produced by the smoking is delicious. Then pesticides, agricultural product. To increase the yield from the farms, we are adding pesticides or pesticides in the crops. Then veterinary drug residues. For example, we are giving oxytocin injection to the cattle to increase the yield of the milk. But that oxytocin creates various problems in the human health. Then risk of hazards. Chemical hazards may lead to acute foodborne illness or chemical poisoning. These illnesses can be caused when abnormally high doses of chemicals are consumed. For example, nitrites. Nitrites are carcinogenic in nature and nitrites are used for the curing in meats. Then risk factors include exposure and toxicity. Exposure is the amount of chemical concentration in the food, and the amount of the food ingested will determine the exposure risk. Whereas the toxicity is the amount of chemical or toxin that is consumed, this affects the risk level. Then routes of entry point of toxic chemical. These are the inhalation. Once a chemical reaches the lower level of the lungs, it can pass into the bloodstreams and travel to the target organ where it will exert its effect. Then skin adsorption. Chemical can be adsorbed directly through the skin into the bloodstream. Ingestion. Not a major concern in an industrial setting is entry through the mouth, but may occur if housekeeping and personal hygiene practices are not adhered. Injection. That is a route of entry for some chemicals, particularly drugs, where the use of needles is common in product handling and dispensing or delivery. Then potential hazards. There are many potential sources of chemical hazards in food processing. Regular formal hazard analysis will help you determine the risk levels that could affect your product. A proper analysis will consider potential hazards, including incoming material contaminated with toxins, producing bacteria or molds, pesticides, veterinary drugs, non-food grade chemicals, ink used in the packaging material, allergens, undeclared allergens or ingredient labels or cross-contamination with allergens are a potential risk. Then food contact surfaces. Use of unapproved materials may lead to migration of chemical to food. Non-food chemicals is sanitation or maintenance chemicals used or stored near food, contact surfaces, dyes or inks from coding machines, water treatment chemicals, etc. are all potential risk. Employee error in adding excessive food additives or unapproved ingredients into the process are a potential risk. Effects of chemical on health causes food poisoning symptoms within a short period of time, that is disrupt body metabolism, cause cancer. For example, aflatoxins causes liver cancer, damage genes, alter organ function, affect reproduction and development, affect developing brains in fetuses, infants and children, for example mercury, causing irritation, allergies, lack of oxygen, systematic poisoning, systemic poisoning, damage of unborn fetus, and pneumoconiosis like dusty lungs. In types of hazards, naturally occurring toxins that produced by the plants, animals, or microorganisms, for example, aflatoxins in peanuts, poisonous neurotoxins in mushrooms. All mushrooms are not edible. Then intentionally added chemicals are that added to food that are beyond the acceptable limits, especially established by the Food and Drug Act and its regulations. That is food additives like sodium nitrate, which is used for curing of meat. Then unintentionally added chemicals are, these are the chemicals that accidentally contaminate food being processed. For example, sanitation or maintenance chemicals, pesticides or environmental pollutants. Then food allergens. These substances in food can cause dangerous reaction in the people who are allergic. For example, peanuts, fish, dairy products. Like some people are lactose intolerant and some people are gluten intolerant. This disease is known as celiac disease. Then if that person consume, if one person is affected by the celiac disease and that consumes gluten, then it is very harmful and it will create worst results if that guy consumes gluten. Then chemical hazards or its example. Raw materials are pesticides, antibodies, antibiotics, hormones, toxins, fertilizers, fungicides, heavy metals, PCBs. Then processing. Direct food additives, preservatives, nitrite, flavor enhancers, color additives. Then indirect food additives like boiler, water additives, peeling aids, deforming agents. Then building and equipment maintenance. There is lubricants, paints and coatings. Sanitation, pesticides, cleaners, sanitizers. Storage and shipping, all types of chemicals cross contamination. From packaging, there is a PVC, BPS, and phthalates. Chemical constituents, toxic compounds that are naturally produced by the living organisms. These toxins are not harmful to the organisms themselves, but they can be toxic to the people when we eat food contaminated with them. Some toxins are produced by plants as a natural defense mechanisms against predators, insects, or microorganisms, or as a consequence of infestation with certain microorganisms. Climate stressors like drought or extreme humidity can also cause some plants to produce toxins. Other natural toxins that can affect human health are those produced by microscopic algae and plankton in oceans and freshwater. When people eat fish or shellfish contaminated with aquatic biotoxins, food poisoning can rapidly follow. Some of the more common toxins that pose a risk to human health are in the next slide. These are the mycotoxins that is produced by fungi and can be toxic to human and animals. They are formed by molds which grow on crops and foods under certain conditions. Natural toxins are biochemical compounds produced by plants in response to certain conditions or stressors. Marine toxins is decomposition or microscopic marine algae accumulated in fish and shellfish. Environmental contaminants is accidentally or deliberately enter the environment, typically manufactured for industrial use. Food additives, any chemical substance that is added to food during preparation or storage. Processing induced chemicals, undesirable chemicals can be formed in certain foods during processing as a result of reactions between compounds that are natural components of the food. Then pesticides, pesticides, agricultural product used to control, destroy or repel a pest or to mitigate the effects of a pest. Veterinary drug residues used in food producing animals to control and or prevent illness in the animal. Then chemical hazards. Chemical hazardous material. Hazardous materials can be broken down into 9 hazard classes. Some of these hazard classes are further broken down based on their chemical or physical properties. Hazardous materials are also important in case of an emergency. These are the 9 classes. These are the this column is the hazard material and examples of that hazard materials. Then hazard control and prevention. The most effective chemical hazard control is prevention. Establishing an effective chemical control program in your facility can reduce or eliminate chemical hazards in the food. Store chemicals in designated areas away from food, ingredients, packaging, and food contact surfaces. Make it standard practice for staff after maintenance to properly clean and remove all chemical residues from food contact surfaces. Then do not use excessive grease or lubricants on equipment. Regularly re-evaluate all procedures to ensure they effectively remove chemicals. Use designated tools for handling allergens. Store allergens to prevent cross-contaminations with other ingredients. Example, tightly closed containers. Use separate storage room or ensure adequate physical separation. Receive incoming materials and raw ingredients from reputable suppliers that effectively control chemical hazards in plant. Ensure restricted ingredients and additives are correctly measured and regularly re-evaluate to ensure they meet the Food and Drug Act and its regulations. Follow good storage practices. Example is uncontrolled moisture levels during grain storage and can produce mycotoxins. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. Thank you so much.